Hi, Professor. Do you have a minute?
Of course, what's on your mind?
I've been thinking a lot about why we focus so much on learning English. I mean, I get that it's important, but sometimes I wonder, why is it such a big deal?
That's a great question. English isn't just a language, it's a key to so many opportunities. Think about it. Most of the world's business, science, and technology information is in English.
Yeah, I see that. But what if someone doesn't plan to work in an English-speaking country?
Even then, English is like a global bridge. It connects people from different countries. Let's say you're collaborating with someone from Germany and someone from Japan. English is likely the language you'll use to communicate.
So it's more about connecting with people worldwide?
Exactly. Plus, a lot of the best educational resources, research papers, and even entertainment, movies, music, are in English. Understanding English gives you direct access to all of that.
I hadn't really thought about it like that. It's not just about speaking it. It's about understanding and accessing information.
Right. And the better you understand it, the more you can engage with the world. It opens doors, whether in your career, travel, or just in understanding different cultures.
That makes a lot of sense. I guess I'll keep working on it with a new perspective now.
That's the spirit. Keep practicing, and you'll see how much it pays off in the long run.
Thanks, Professor. I appreciate the insight.
Anytime. Keep up the good work.